Our group is talking about the Pacific garbage patch in the Great Pacific and ocean trash in the Great Pacific, which this is also described as the Pacific Vortex.
Any trash from glass bottles to aluminum cans to plastic bags can find its way into the ocean, becoming marine debris, which is any man-made solid material that enters waterways directly through littering or indirectly via rivers, streaming, and storm drains. This is affecting our ocean by the accumulation of trash and plastic in our ocean. This is also affecting marine life. Ingesting marine debris is quite common in samples of dead and captured seabirds and turtles, indicating that many marine organisms mistake small bits of plastic and trash for food. Some facts about this ocean trash is that a team was looking at how much trash is thrown in the ocean every year, and they said roughly 15% to 40% each year.
I will be talking about why people are throwing trash in the ocean. People are throwing trash in the ocean because they are too lazy to find a garbage can and throw it away. When people throw trash in the ocean, it breaks down and causes trillions of plastic particles to float around in the ocean. This causes pollution in the ocean and harmful effects on the ocean life. When fish eat plankton, they are ingesting the very small plastic floating around in the water, which will most likely kill them. The trash gets in the ocean by people throwing it in the ocean and ocean currents. The Pacific trash vortex is a gyre of marine debris particles in the central North Pacific Ocean. It was discovered between 1985 and 1988.
I'm talking about the pros and cons of ocean trash. Now, you might think, what's so good about ocean trash? Well, there could be multiple things about ocean trash, such as shelter. Some fish will build shelter out of plastic. Some cons are that it's killing fish and other animals that mistake them for food. It's damaging agricultural land. More cons are that it's ruining boats, damaging submarine equipment, and it's discouraging swimming. Did you know that if you estimate that 3,000 through 18,000 pieces of plastic floats in every square kilometer? Also, the Great Pacific Patch covers 30% of the whole ocean.
Some random facts that we found is that in 2010, 8 million pieces of trash got thrown into the ocean that year. Also, 7 billion pieces of non-recyclable plastic is produced each year from the plastic.
Another fact is when they find 250 million pieces of trash, it can weigh up to 7 million tons in the Great Pacific Ocean. There is six times more plastic than plankton, which is the main food for ocean.
U.S. shows that 5 to 10% of the fish contain small pieces of plastic trash. Trash patch consists for 80% out of plastic. Some people might ask, why can't we clean their gyres? We can't clean their gyres because they move throughout the years.
The Great Pacific Garbage Patch was led you to believe that this marine mass of plastic is bigger than Texas, maybe twice as big as the Lone Star State, which the garbage patch is 617,762 square miles, which is too big to get rid of.
Well, the exact size of the garbage patch is hard to pin down because it's so big and it moves all the time, so we will never know how big it is.
Regardless of how big it is or where it is located, it is clear that the Pacific Garbage Patch does not belong in our ocean, and we need to learn more about this future so we can properly address it.
The thing is that it's too big to get rid of it. It could take ages.
Well, you can't get rid of all of it, but we can at least try and control it better.
I agree with Elysa on this one because the garbage patch is killing the ocean life and people should find a way to control it. Who wants a dirty ocean?
There is no way to control it. That's the thing.
We don't know that though. I believe science should do more research about this and see if they can control it.
And if they can't,
Well, if they can't, then they should at least try their hardest to clean it up.
that's going to take forever to clean all of it.
You won't be able to clean it all up, but at least we can say we tried.
Even though that's a lot of garbage, we should clean most of it up because it's still killing the animal life because it gets in the plankton and that's their main food.
This graph is about how much money is found in the ocean per year from plastic.
This graph shows the plastic waste and recycling rates from 2003 to 2016.
This graph shows how much trash is thrown in the ocean per year.
This is the e-mark spreading from 1991 to 2016. This is all types of plastic that gets thrown in the ocean per year.